Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk something about my true feelings for my mom and my family. As you know, anyone also has one mother and only one, but there's only a few people realize that the mother is important for our life. Mother had to conquer how many difficulties and obstacles while pregnant, carrying heavy 9 months and 10 days. Then we were born. Our mom has to undergo how much anxiety and negativity. Try to work for we eat and learn to give us best things in life. My mother also like that. From I was a child, I had know how many difficulties that my mom was doing. My mom did many jobs. At this time, my mother worked in the fields. Another time, she would buy junk, scrap, broken furniture. And sometimes my mother went to the sea to find crabs, fishes. When I studied at high school, my mom and dad went to Hanoi City to work as worker and sent money to home for their children. I lived with my older sister and my younger brother in Thanh Hóa province. My mom and my dad do everything to earn money for my studying. When I finished the high school, my mom came back home and my older sister went to Bình Dương City to study and worked. Then my father also went to South to find a new job. When I had been learning in university, every month my mom has been sending rice and fruits to Hanoi City for me, and my father has been sending money from the south for me to eat and study. Whenever I think of my family, I felt great affection for my mom because I make my mom more and more skinny. Mother was so hot, but there were times I would disobey my mother and not interested in my mother, who were hardship days and nights. I was very regretful about it. I'll never do it again. I promised with my parents that I will focus on study and my parents will be proud of me. Now my family can't live together. We live far away each other, but we usually call and care for each members. I really miss my family, my mom, my dad, my sister, and my brother. I pray that my parents always enjoy life and continued health and happiness. If I only could finish my studying right now and and I could go to work to help my mom. I know that it's impossible, so I'll study hard so my mom don't be disappointed about me. After that, I believe that nothing can be bigger than my mom's love for me. That's all. Thanks for listening. Goodbye.